PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, the 1st of April. Getting deeper into spring. And traditionally, this week, the first week of April, brings some active weather. And by golly, we've got some this morning. Let's go right to the Skycam shots around the state this morning. We'll begin with a look at the view coming from Tuscaloosa. And yeah, buddy, it's raining at 5 o'clock this morning. A good downpour there, nothing severe, but a nice batch of thunderstorms passing through. There's the Inverness Skycam. Rain falling down on Highway 280 in North Shelby County. That's the view from the Wingate Inn. And from downtown Birmingham, rain coming down there. That's the view from the top of the Daniel Building. There's the deal. We've got the upper trough bypassing us to the north, but it's dragging a cold front through here. And with the upper support way up north, that would lessen any chance of severe weather today. Don't expect any around here at least, but hopefully we'll catch some good rain amounts. There's a look at our line of storms. And that was a wicked line last night over Missouri and Arkansas and Oklahoma that has steadily weakened overnight. And as the front kind of runs out of gas, we'll just see that thing settling down and stalling out. So we'll forecast periods of rain and some thunder at times today, and we'll probably see showers into tonight and tomorrow as well. In terms of severe weather, the guys at SPC are maintaining a slight risk from the upper Texas coastal plain through South Louisiana, South Mississippi, and southwest Alabama. And that's kind of marginal. And again, up on this end of the state, we don't expect any major severe weather issues. Tomorrow, in advance of our new system, there is a slight risk of severe weather over parts of West Texas and southern Oklahoma. On day 3, which is Thursday, a slight risk over a pretty good chunk of Oklahoma, Texas, over into parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. And let's round it on out with day 4, which is Friday, and day 5, which is Saturday. And again, you can see Alabama involved in both of those risks with our end-of-the-week system, which should pack a little more punch than the one we have today. And we'll talk about that as we go. There's a quick peek at the QPF map. Numbers are ramping up a little bit here. Now we've got some 2-inch amounts showing up over parts of Alabama. And that's the rain we'll have between now and Saturday evening. And once again, really heavy rain up north where flooding could be a big issue. I say up north, not too far north. Southern Missouri, Kentucky, and southern parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Today, this is the OZGFS at noon, 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. The big trough way north of us, and that front's going to run out of gas down here. And that could mean a pretty decent rain event with that thing just stalling out. We'll have rain at times today, some thunder. And again, the prospect of severe weather pretty small for this end of the state. Now, tomorrow, that front just kind of is hanging around, and really the GFS has the frontal position over the Tennessee Valley, which means we had better mention a chance of lingering showers tomorrow, and not maybe just tomorrow morning, but much of the day, just a chance of scattered showers. Now, no, it's not going to be like today with the good rain coverage, but a shower maybe at any time tomorrow. So I think we'll probably lean in that direction. And then Thursday is kind of problematic. You see the deal there. We've got our front north of us is a warm front extending from that surface low over the Texas Panhandle. And you'd think we'd break out maybe into the upper 70s, maybe touching 80, but wait a minute. It's the wedge cold air damming coming down from the east, and it's trying to nose in here. So that's going to be a problematic temperature day. It might be a deal where Tuscaloosa approaches 80 and Heflin near the Georgia border has a hard time getting out of the 50s. That could be a 20-degree swing right there. Oh, you got to love it. Now, Friday, here's a look at our system. And you can see the main trough axis over the plains, but a series of little ripples coming out ahead of that thing. And at the surface, the surface low shows up near Pittsburgh with a trailing front. But again, there is some upper support this time. And that's the reason there is a school of thought there might be some severe weather on Friday. And then Saturday at midday, it's gone now. The GFS, instead of lingering the rain into much of the day Saturday, pushes it out really late Friday night. So Friday night, we'll forecast a good chance of showers and strong storms, maybe severe, with that ending early Saturday morning on this run. And if that continues, we'll lean in that direction in the forecast. And then Sunday, we're totally dry and comfortable. Monday of next week looks good. Tuesday, that's our big anniversary day, April 8th. The 10-year anniversary of that big F5 in Birmingham that killed 32 people. We'll have a TV special, by the way, that night at 6:30. But the Gulf of Mexico is wide open, but that still looks dry. And then Wednesday the 9th, pretty good-looking trough coming in here. And deep surface low develops north of Kansas City. That sure looks like a severe weather problem there. Maybe for areas just west of here. That's the night of the 9th. And then the morning of the 10th, the storms move in here. So it looks like it could be another severe weather episode around the middle of next week, Wednesday or Thursday, something like that. That is a very, very deep surface low, 986 millibars up there. And toward the end of the cycle, just wanted to show you April 15th. If you watched us yesterday, we saw one run that looked like a late season freeze and very cold air over the east. Well, poof, it's gone. In fact, we've got ridging, and that would suggest awfully warm weather. So that is why we call it voodoo country. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.